we try to bring out this particular topic for nursery 1, nursery 2 pupils. If also nursery KG can also learn this sound. Over here I have diagram OI sound OI. If we say that again, you see we say we have OI. But this OI, what sound is OI giving us here? We say it's what? OI. So when you see OI, you say OI. And OI, 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 OI. So we are meant to see OI. And whenever we see OI, you say it's what? OI. I can say that again. OI. Again. OI. So let's take a look at it in blending and pronunciation of some words. We have this letter here that sounds what? B. Again. B. And OI here sound OI. OI. And we have so if we want to blend these letters together, we say B. OI. Which is what? Boil. B. OI. Boil. Oil. The CE here sounds, which is just giving us one sound. So we have oil, oil, voice, oil, voice. We also have the letter C that sound what? Oil, oil, coil, coil. We have oil, oil, toil, oil, oil, coin. Oil, the CE sound is just one sound. Oil, noise. Oil, noise. P. 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 Oil, P. Oil, point. J. 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 Oil, J. Oil, join. So we can say all together that every of these letters has their own particular sound, which you use to pronounce the diagram OI sound OI. So we can go to this simple reading, say that I will boil the egg. I will boil the egg. Can we say that again? I will boil the egg. Join has. Join has. I have 5 coins. I have 5 coins. So we can take this little video to our kids and show it to them and also try to put them through it. We can also find some other OI words that are OI. We see how so many words in OI and OI. We see how P, OI, spoil. So we see how so many other words. As a parent right now, in this time that no one can go anywhere, let's try to design a way that our kids can be able to learn at home. I've been able to do about 10 examples. Let's try to look out for more words with OIs and OI and bring it out for the kids to be able to learn, blend with it, pronounce it, and also try to form some short sentences with it. Have a great day.